When you're busy, there are just too many important items to remember. That's why there's TrackR Pixel, the coin-sized device that can make any item unlosable. Simply attach TrackR Pixel to any item you'd like to track. Pair it with the TrackR app and you'll be able to quickly find it. Running late and can't find your keys? Use the TrackR app to make them ring. Can't find a TV remote? Use the TrackR app to make it light up. And when you can't find your phone, with the touch of a button, TrackR Pixel will ring it for you even on silent mode. With TrackR, your search is over.
This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.
Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobot. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Vobot is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobot can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, world clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to Vobot. All we want is to make your life more simple.